Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna work on my truck. This is my daily driver. Love this thing. And today I got a new mod for it. This is the WOLFBOX Retractable Bed Step. It's a product that I didn't know I needed. So yeah, let's open it up, install it, and go from there. So this is how I get onto the back of the bed. These are the tools for the job. Got a ratchet, sockets, 13 and 17 mil, extensions, and 13 mil wrench. First, you gotta combine the mounting bracket to the support bracket. You don't have to fully tighten it yet. Next, we're gonna remove these two 17 mil hex nuts. You can remove this by hand, but with a power tool, it's a lot faster. Last steps, we installing this on top like that, using the T-bolts. Alright, just finished with the install. It was straightforward. It bolts right into the factory mounting points. There's no drilling or cutting. From start to finish, it took me less than 30 minutes. I also like how well it hides when you're not using it. It folds up nice and tight underneath the bumper, so it doesn't change the look of the truck at all. As for the step itself, it feels really sturdy. It's rated to support up to 330 pounds. And for reference, I weigh around 200 pounds. As you can see, there's almost no flex when I'm standing on it. The construction is another highlight. It's made from heavy duty die-cast aluminum, and the 6-inch wide step gives you plenty of room for your foot. It also features a rust resistant e-coating and powder coated finish to help protect it from water, dirt, mud, and everything else it gets exposed to underneath the truck. I camp a lot with my family, so every time I pack all the camping gears up here, I have to get on and off many times. But with this, it's gonna make my life so much easier. It's especially helpful for my wife because she's a lot shorter than me. In the future, I do plan to lift the truck, so it's gonna be even higher. So with the bed step, it's not gonna be a problem. Overall, I think this is one of those upgrades you don't really appreciate until you have it. If you're constantly getting in and out of your truck bed, whether it's for work, camping, hauling bikes, or just everyday use, it makes the whole process a lot easier. It's quick to install, feels sturdy, and tucks away cleanly when you're not using it.
But yeah, I put the link for this product in the video description. Check it out. I think you're gonna like it. It's one of those mods where you think you don't need it, but after you install it, you just tell yourself like, why didn't I get this sooner? What a game changer. And it doesn't take away from the whole truck. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.